Hi everyone, today we'll be discussing about the solutions to linear equations using graphical methods. So, first thing that we have to know are the forms. We have 1, the slope intersect form, represented by the formula y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope, it is the rise divided by the run, meaning the number of points it goes on the vertical as it goes on the horizontal. So for example, if we have a slope equal to 4/3, this means that as we go 1, 2, 3, 4 points along the vertical, we go 1, 2, 3 points along the horizontal. So we just have to plot them, and connect. So this is the line having a slope of 4/3. Okay? So for horizontal lines, the slope is equal to 0. Whereas in vertical lines, the slope is undefined, infinity. For 45 degrees, the slope is equal to 1. For parallel lines, parallel lines never intersect. Their slope are equal, meaning the slope of line 1 is equal to the slope of line 2. They will never intersect. For perpendicular lines are lines that intersect, forming an angle of 90. So these are perpendicular lines. In regards to their slope, the slope of the first line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the other line. So this 1 over negative m2. So this is the slope of, these are the slopes of perpendicular lines. For example, if you have a slope of the first line having 4/3, the slope of the other line is equal to the negative reciprocal, meaning 3 over 4 of the first line. So when m1 is 4/3, m2 is negative 3/4. So that's the relation between perpendicular lines. Okay? So here, B is the y-intercept. Y-intercept meaning it is the value of y when the x is equal to 0. So, for standard form, we have the formula ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are the coefficients. And here, the point slope form having the formula y minus y1 equals m multiplied by open parenthesis x minus x1 close parenthesis. So here y1 and x1 are points. y1 and x1 represents a point in the line with the slope of m. Okay, so we'll have some examples. So for slope intersect form, we have y is equal to mx plus b. For example, we have y is equal to x plus 3. Here we have 3 is the value of y when x is equal to 0. And 2 is the slope. So graphically we have y is equal to 1, 2, 3. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. And we have a slope of 1, meaning rise equals 2 over run equals 1. So as we go up by 2 points, we go to the right by 1 point. So we just connect them, connect the points. Now this is the line representing y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay? So for the standard form, for example, we have 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now, solving for this format, we would just substitute 0 for x in order to get the y-intercept. And we will substitute 0 for y in order to get the x-intercept. So, example, let's substitute 0 for x first, okay? So, 2 multiplied by x, 0, plus 3, y equals 6. So, 2 will be cancelled out. So, 3y equals 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So, we have the point x, 0, y is equal to 2. So, substitute 0 to y in this equation. We have 2x plus 3, 0 equals 6. So this one will be cancelled out. 2x equals 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So we have the point having 3, 0. Okay? 3x, 0 for y. Okay? So, plotting, graphing, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 for x, 2 for y, 0 for x, 2 for y, and 0 for y, we have 3 for x. Okay? Okay, so we just have to connect the points. Okay? Yeah, there. So this is the line for 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Okay? So this is the standard form. Let's have an example for the point slope form. So we have example y minus 3 is equal to 2x, 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So, having this form, y minus 3, this is not minus 3 because this is a negative sign. Therefore, y1 is equal to 3. And x, this one, x1, since this is also negative, this would be positive. x1 equals 1. And the slope is 2. So, plotting, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So y is equal to 3. You have point x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, and the slope equal to 2. So x equal to 1, y is equal to 3. And we have a slope of 2. So for every 2, 1, 2, it moves 1 point to the right since it's positive. So these are the points. And we will just have to connect them. And this is the slope for y minus 3 equal to 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Okay? So this is it. That's it for now. Thank you.